Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can check the storage size of your account on Google Photos. For example, if you'd like to free up some space or simply learn how much space or MB of your storage you are already using. So let us get started right away. Now head over to Google Photos, of course, make sure that you're logged in with the associated Google account. And here inside your library, guys, you will see that panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom of it, you will see that informational feature here, storage, and below that you will see how many MB or GB you're currently using out of the overall available space, which is in this case here 15 GB, and out of that I'm currently using 841 MB, so there's still a lot of space left for me. So guys, to get a better overview, simply click on storage here above, and that is going to show you, for example, how these 841 MB in this case here, for example, are divided. For example, they are divided into space your photos on Google Photos take up, or Gmail, emails in your Gmail account, files and folders you store on Google Drive. So all of these three here, Google Drive, Google Photos, and Gmail together make up your overall storage size or storage you're currently using. So guys, if you'd like to increase your storage size, you may do that, for example, by clicking on that button here, unlock storage discount. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.